Hi, I'm Steve from Clear Cut Installations. This is a major kitchen renovation that we recently completed. One of the things our clients really like is we sit down with them and help them design their kitchen. On this particular job, we removed the old cabinets, the flooring, reorganized the electrical and the plumbing to fit the new design. In this case, we removed the drywall from the ceiling to eliminate the old style stippled ceilings. In the bay window and for the sill of the other window, we used the same Corian countertop as the rest of the kitchen. They purchased all new stainless steel appliances and we designed their kitchen around them. On this job, we used a Corian countertop with an integrated sink. The backsplash tile work is a very unique interwoven look that she found and we created for her. The clients wanted an island to help with food prep, more storage space, and an area for eating breakfast or a quick snack. One of the things the client wanted was to replace her old hutch. We custom designed a new one and installed it where the breakfast nook used to be. In the final results, it is a much brighter and open living space. If you want a free consultation, give us a call and we will arrange to meet you at your home.